A lot of the identity that we have as an organization has come from growing up in small towns. I'm Drew Covert. I have been with Southern Bank 28 years, and I am the Chief Executive Officer and Chairman of the Board. Over the last 125 years, the biggest theme through that window of time, the underpinnings are relationship and community. As long as you make your decision through that lens, you end up in the right place.
I've been banking with Southern Bank since the early 2000s when they opened a branch bank in Keansville, North Carolina, and that's where I was banking. But my father and grandfather has been banking with Southern Bank as long as I remember. It was just naturally coming home to the bank. If something's worth doing, it's worth doing right. And I think Southern Bank tries to do it right.
125 years is awesome to even think about, but our strongest advertisement is a satisfied customer. It's not just knowing the customer, but it's knowing their business and understanding, where they want to go.
The first day that I walked into the doors here at Southern Bank, I felt like I could do this for the rest of my career. This is where I want to be. It's the people, it's the team at the top. It's a genuine, heartfelt place to work, and I think that's a big part of why people want to be with Southern.
So what brought me to Mount Olive, number one, was a man. So number two, Southern Bank was just there's going to be a job here, why don't you apply? Sure, I'll apply, and then I fell in love. It is surreal to say, yeah, I've been here for 25 years. It really is my fit. So I don't see myself going anywhere from here.
We still have the small town flair. We have not necessarily reduced headcount, so from that standpoint, your customer relationship is going to be better in terms of getting to an individual or getting to a decision maker, and you'll know who to call and you won't have to necessarily go through a phone tree per se.
The core of what we do is consistency. If we give them consistency and build trust in them, what it allows us to do is build those generational relationships, and they know who we are. And the thing I love about Southern Bank is that we approach things with a very long-term view. So we're not chasing trends, and what it allows us to do, I think, is being a much more predictable partner for those that are on our team here, and also those that we provide services for in the community.
I remember when we crossed over the $1 billion mark for assets. I actually kept the annual report that year because that's something I wanted to keep because I was part of that, right? I was part of that growth, and now recently we've hit the $5 billion mark. Again, that's something I want to keep and put in my memories, that I was part of that. I was part of that growth, and I helped build that.
At a time when a lot of banks were trying to figure out how they were going to survive because of the strength of our balance sheet, we were able to go out and take advantage of some opportunities to expand.
I'm excited for the future of Southern Bank in that I can look at the past and see how we've evolved from what we were 25 years ago to where we are today. And I know that change is going to keep happening. As a board director, I think I'm the eyes and ears of the bank, and we've got to provide the service that our customers need, and that's going to keep changing, so we're going to have to keep changing.
What has allowed us to be the type of organization we are for 125 years is that we create a true balance, and that true balance is between the long-term benefit of our communities and our customers and what we're trying to achieve as an organization. We're able to come up with solutions that are innovative, but they're innovative to their best interest. Congratulations to Southern Bank on 125 years of history.